everyone. Welcome to Cooking with Spiegel with your host, Miss Spiegel. Today, we are going to make s'mores. What's the first most important rule we need to remember every time before we start cooking? Wash your hands. And we're back. Okay, the things that we need are graham crackers, marshmallows, and a Hershey's chocolate bar. We also need a plate and a napkin. Okay. Step number 1. We need to get 1 graham cracker and break it in half. Step number 2. We need to get 3 rectangles from our Hershey's bar and put it on top of the graham cracker.
1, 2, 3.
Put it on top of the graham cracker. Step number 3. We need to get 1 jumbo marshmallow and put it on top of the chocolate. Step number 4. Now we need to get the other piece of the graham cracker and put it on top. Squish down a little bit, but be careful not to break your cracker. Step number 5. Now we need to put our s'more in the microwave for 15 seconds. I forgot to say, one of the tools you need is a microwave. So you need a microwave. Also, be careful when you take it out of the microwave because it's really hot. And last, we get to eat and enjoy. See you next time. It was so obvious because it was already broken.